Right. So I'll jump to the next one. This one is basically when you like or dislike something or someone. And the verb here is to like, which is basically pasand hona. Generally, there's a doubt that, how come it's not the same as I am a subject is doing something. It's just like I eat banana, I like banana. Okay, to the English native speaker, it may feels it's the same thing in Hindi, but in Hindi, you cannot make yourself like banana if you don't like it. Right? I cannot force it, basically. Right? So to the loose translation, it becomes like, to me, something is likable. Okay, and that's why it's sort of considered an experience. Okay, so that's why it is basically, if I'm talking about myself, is mujhe or mujhko banana. The verb is pasand hona. It would become mujhe banana pasand hai. Now you want to make sentences. You want to replace banana with something that you like, but stick with this pattern only and try to you can use infinitive form of the verb if you like an activity. Okay, for example, if you like to play, you can say mujhe khelna pasand hai. Okay, very good, beautiful. Mujhe फल pasand hai. Beautiful. Mujhe school pasand hai. मुझे पढ़ना पसंद है. There you go. I like to read. There you go. मुझे गिटार बजाना पसंद है. मुझे बिल्लियाँ पसंद है. There you go. मुझे गाना पसंद है. मुझे खाना पसंद है. Okay. मुझे तैरना पसंद है. Beautiful. मुझे सोना पसंद है. मुझे हिंदी क्लास पसंद है. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. Very good. मुझे so that's good. Negative sentence. मुझे यात्रा करना पसंद नहीं है. These days. आजकल. Okay, then you can make something like simple sentences like chai or coffee. मुझे चाय पसंद है और मुझे कॉफी पसंद है. If you're talking about movies, you can also say about film, right? Instead of just a film, you can say that as well. I think you already mentioned about animals, food stuff. You mentioned about it. Pasand it's the interesting one. It doesn't matter what kind of activity you like. The activity is considered masculine or feminine. It's always pasand hai.